Hey y'all, hey. So today I'm going to be showing you how I tie some of my head wraps. And oftentimes I just make stuff up as I go along. Right here, you are going to want to get a hair tie, but make sure it doesn't break like mine. And secure your hair in a bun pony type of situation going on. I did want to point out some of my postpartum hair loss, and I basically talked about that in another video, and potentially I'll talk about it at another time, but that is to show that a lot of people do still deal with postpartum hair loss or postpartum hair shedding, and basically I will put like castor oil in that spot, and it has been helping a bit. I'm just kind of waiting for it to come back in. This was the first time that I actually dealt with it around my edges. So this was kind of new for me. But hey, such is life. So I tried this head wrap style before with a smaller or shorter head wrap and it worked. I started realizing right about now that this was not working and I'm just gonna have to switch it up and figure something else out. So I did want to keep this in the video because I wanted to show you the very human side of me where it's like, come on girl, you know that sometimes when you're trying to do a style and it don't come out right, you got to go to plan B, and that's what we're doing now. We're going to plan B. Okay, hair toss. So now I decided to go with one of my very, very, very favorite head wrap styles, and that is just wrapping the head wrap around my pony and doing like a palm tree pony look. I love this look. I actually just started doing that probably like last month, and it is literally one of my go-to looks. Like, I love how it looks. Definitely very poetic justice. Definitely adjust to your liking. Even in the back there was a little bulkiness, and I don't have my glasses on, so there were a few details that I was gonna miss, but do what you do, girl. And this was just to show you all how you can take one style and quickly, easily make it into another style, another look. And this is actually the first time I did this, and I definitely think this is gonna be another fave. So here is another look that I struggle with. You will soon see. I was trying to again attempt this style I did in a previous video that I have on my socials, and because I am now working with a wider and bigger head wrap, it was definitely a learning curve. But I will insert a picture of what I was going for, and then you'll see what I came up with. It still came out decent. Probably nothing that I would wear again for my taste, but it came out okay. I'm gonna give myself a little more credit. It came out alright, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, if I were to wear it again, it probably would be with the smaller head wrap that I used before. However, I love this head wrap right here. I love the ribbing. I love the quality of it. It is from the Wrap Life, and I will leave a link below, as well as a maybe a discount code, referral code, or something to that nature, so that you all can get a discount if you decide to purchase a wrap from them. It is a nice wrap. I just am trying to learn how to utilize the bigger head wraps, or to use head wraps completely, and it's very fun. I love the look, but like I said, it's definitely a learning curve. So I've been challenging myself to experiment and see what I could come up with.
You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon.
Y'all, I'm so tickled with myself because I literally was trying to figure out how in the world do I tie this dang bow? Like, girl, have you not tied any shoelaces lately? And really, no, because my kids wear a lot of Crocs. But I was really struggling. Like, what? Ashley is like riding a bike. What are you doing? I finally got it. And I'm going to adjust it to look like something, and then I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm ready to get this one over and move on to the next. So, just hang on, y'all. I got some more fire coming, I guess. Alright, so here I'm doing something with a little banging. You know what I'm saying? A little lot banging-ish going on. And I'm gonna do a high bun-ish type of thing and adding definitely the head wrap for some flair. You can adjust your banging however you need to. And I know y'all see that it looks like my tips are gray. That is because I have or had blue black dye in my hair, and I have not re-dyed it because actually I am tired of dyeing it. It's actually a lot more maintenance than I expected. But yeah, I'm not gonna re-dye it. I'm gonna try to like strip it or let it wash out or something. I was talking to my cousin about that this week, actually, trying to figure out if I was gonna like how to get it out because I'm tired, y'all, and I'm definitely ready to do another color. And you can see that I put my glasses on because, child, I was struggling trying to see everything. Oh my gosh. But anyways, I did like this. This was a really cute look, and I really love bangs because, I got that Rihanna Ford, you know what I'm saying? And so sometimes it's nice to take a little distraction. Not distraction, child. Attention off of the Ford. That's what I'm saying. Now this one was easy and I done lost count. I think this is like number 4 or something, but definitely the easiest. I did this in like a minute maybe or something like that. So yeah, if you're looking for something super duper easy, I would definitely suggest this head wrap style right here. So here I'm doing a half up, half down palm tree pony look. So merging a style or two together. Again, I am trial and erroring it. So I will be taking this back down to decrease the amount of hair that I have up there. In addition to be able to get this doggone hair tie off, because once I tied the scarf on or the hair wrap on, I was unable to get the hair tie off. So I had to start over.
You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can lose, the world works for you. Now that you're don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly. Butterfly. Wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a lie.
And same idea here, 2 hairstyles in one. Pull that hair to the side and you got you another look, girl. And back again with another bang style. This one will include like a low bun, low head wrap type of situation going on.
Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can lose, the world works for you. Now that you're don't ever change for anybody, don't ever trade your soul.
This was another pretty easy and quick head wrap style, very cute. And this is actually the last style that I'll be showing in this video. Please comment and let me know if this was helpful and if you would consider wearing any of these styles, or if you have already worn some of these, or if you have a favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can do